So today I am extremely honored and privileged to tell you that I am sitting with Dr. Nikhil, our regular student from Hyderabad region, and Nikhil has scored rank 1 in the recently conducted Nimhans exam in the MCH neurosurgery section. And not just that, he has also scored rank 4 in the DM neurology exam. Heartiest congratulations, Nikhil.
Thank you, sir.
So how are you feeling at this time?
I'm extremely happy for this, and I would like to thank all my parents, friends, and the entire DBMCI team, without which this may not be coming true.
It's good to know that Nikhil that you are thanking the team, but I feel that it's a student's hard work because of which you have reached to that level. So friends, Nikhil was our student at regular batch at the Hyderabad Center, and not just the Nimhans exam, Nikhil has also scored rank 4 in the state of Telangana region. So a big congratulations for that also.
Thank
So
you,
let's
sir.
hear from Nikhil. So Nikhil, what was your journey with us at DBMCI in 1 year? And what is the message that you want to give to the students about staying focused and getting such great ranks in the exam?
First of all, I'm currently just recently completed my internship. So my message will be more useful for students who are undergoing their internship actually. Internship in my college is so much hectic as compared to many other colleges in India. So with internship we need to manage several things. And so at that point, in that such a situation, we should have such a guide as well as some such well prepared matter, such that it should be very short and sweet, so that it should be highly useful. That kind of helpfulness I was completely expecting from the team DBMCI.
So Nikhil, usually this is not the trend in Hyderabad region about such achieving such a big task. So what made you choose DBMCI as your preferred institute in Hyderabad for your exam?
Actually, when I was in my third year, for the first time, I attended Dr. Jainendra Arora sir's class, and it was for my first introduction with the DBMCI team. And I was totally impressed with his class, and at that point only I have decided to join Dr. Bhatia. Whatever the other institutes come and ask, but I decided to join Dr. Bhatia.
Okay. And how was your journey with the DBMCI? Because as you said, that the internship was very hectic.
Yeah.
So how did you manage your internship, and what about the classes that we conducted in the 1 year? And more important than that, how it helped you in the NEET? Because you got rank 4 in the NEET also, and then subsequently you joined our Nimhans crash course and you read that book also. So how the Nimhans preparation was it different from the NEET?
And the entire team DBMCI is helpful each and every minute. They used to conduct even when we because of my internship, when I have some duties also, when there are some classes that I may not attend, these people made us attend all the classes by making video lectures useful to us. And the preparation for NEET and coming to the preparation, the classes are actually the general preparation of Nimhans is quite similar to the other exams, and that is the classes which we are being taught in this institute are highly useful for all the exams, including Nimhans. When coming to neurology, the Nimhans crash course of Bhatia, that is highly useful, and the book is actually a 5-star book, I should say it, because it is highly useful and some of the questions were exact replica from the book.
Even the choices.
I could not remember the choices, but the diseases which I saw in the exam were
They
an
were
exact replica from
replica.
the Nimhans crash course book.
Okay, so you found it pretty useful.
Yeah,
Okay, and what about, so see, 30% paper was a specialist paper.
yeah.
The 70% paper was from the general MBBS syllabus. So how useful did you find the classes were to take care of that 70% of the paper? Because I feel that the students are only focusing about that 30%, and this is where is the catch. So what about the 70%?
Actually, students who are focusing on that 30% may not get this seat of choice, because the 70% paper is a huge sum, and that 70% of the paper is well covered in our institute. That's actually most of the topics, and whatever maybe the topics that are asked in the exam, that are being well covered. The thing about Nimhans is only the neurology part, which is somewhat hi-fi at the undergraduate level. That is also being covered in Nimhans crash course also.
So as a whole, you were pretty satisfied with your general preparation, which was there for the NEET as well as for the Nimhans preparation. Any special message that you want to give to the students who are specifically aspiring for the Nimhans?
who are specifically Nimhans is such an exam that there will be least number of seats with a very good competition, because there is no other branches like if we don't get this branch we can go to other branch. There are only fixed number of branches, that too with a very least number of seats. So it is one of the highly competitive exam in India. So people who are preparing for Nimhans has to be well versed with their general topics as well as a specific neurology topic. So I would recommend to join till last before 1 month of the exam. They can be as general as remaining exams, but in the last 1 month try to focus on the neurology part, especially the crash course books on neurology and on neurosurgery, whatever their branch of choice.
Okay, great. And basically, can I say that because the internship was hectic, you did not have much time? Because one of the problem that student have this time is, like during our time, the problem was the scarcity of the resources. Now the problem is the plenty of resources.
Yes.
So what is your message to that student? Whether they should go to the plenty of those areas, or whether they should focus, or they should restrict to one particular place?
Even there are plenty of resources, but the time is limited to only 1 year.
Yeah.
So it is the student's choice to pick up those the wisest among the all the resources and go with that resource.
So like limiting to one resource and doing it thoroughly will be much more useful in comparison to just doing cherry picking and just do something from there and something from there. So this is a message that again from every topper it is coming up, that try to stay focused at one area and give it a thorough revision, because the more thorough you are with a particular area, the more chances that you will be able to score much higher. So what are your plans? What are you joining? Neurosurgery or neurology?
Present I am with DM neurology, sir.
Within neurology. Okay. Alright. So once again a big congratulations, Nikhil.
Thank you, sir.
And do let us know that if we can do anything else.